Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. North Queensland's on the verge of a low-intensity heat wave, expected to last for several days. At first it'll be a fairly dry heat with burning sunshine and no rain, but on the weekend we'll see a build-up of humidity with rising nighttime temperatures, increased cloud and eventually showers. Today's temperatures are a slight step up from yesterday's already, though humidity is currently quite moderate. In Mareeba, the top was 35 degrees. Cairns and South Johnson got to 32. The satellite loop is terribly bare at the moment, as you'd expect with this type of weather situation. We don't have much moisture in the air, and we don't really have any uplift mechanisms to turn whatever moisture there is into cloud. All we can see is over the deep interior, across South Australia and the Northern Territory, some convective or storm-type cloud, which will eventually affect Queensland, but not for some time. Today's charts, open isobar pattern. You can see very little wind. You've got this little circle isobar. It should have something inside it, but it doesn't today, unfortunately. But the bottom line is that there's hardly any wind across Queensland, and that's one of the reasons it's already getting warm, because we've lost our cooling southeasterly trade winds. On tomorrow's chart, it's the same again, only now with this new trough moving into Western Queensland, it'll start channeling a more direct northwesterly flow, and that's a hot wind. Then on the outlook chart, this is probably the hottest day, but the good news is that at the end of it, this trough will spawn some thunderstorms affecting the eastern subtropics before a cool change on Friday. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Cairns waters: light variable winds tomorrow and Thursday, nothing over 10 knots. On Friday, northerlies 10 to 15 knots. Full moon's almost here, and it's summer, which is when we experience our largest daytime high tides. Tomorrow morning's peak is quite a biggie, so be on guard. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, a sunny and very warm day. Cairns reaching 34 degrees. Atherton 33, Innisfail also 33, and Mareeba 35. Looking ahead for Cairns, you can see we've got several days of tops in the mid-30s. It'll be dry at first, and then on the weekend, humidity rising, hot nights, and then finally a cooler change on Tuesday. For Atherton, just as hot as on the coast, and in fact we're getting to 36 degrees on Friday, back to 31 come Sunday with some showers. That's all for tonight, folks. Pleasure to have your company. Thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more on this latest hot spell, and I hope you can join me then. But for now, it's back to the team.
Thanks, Liv. That's all from us for tonight. Thanks for your company.
And a reminder, anything you'd like to catch up on again, our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.